Right, we're ScrewFix Live 2025, and as I've said before on some of the other videos that you've probably been watching, I am doing individual stands as I walk around and find something of interest. I'm collaring somebody to actually tell us and promote their products and wares. Now, no exception, I've got Joe behind me who's going to introduce his company, which is the Kilrock Pro. It's easier for him to explain it than me. Over to you, Joe.
Hi, so we're Kilrock Pro. We're a manufacturer of household problem solvers, DIY pro cleaning products. Today we're exhibiting our two Rhino plug hole unblockers. We've got the bathroom formulation, which contains bleach and some surfactants as well. So that will not only unblock it, but it will clean your plug hole, freshen it, and leave it free flowing. Whereas the kitchen one is the strongest non-acidic plug hole unblocker on the market. So it's stronger than Mr. Muscle. It's stronger than any of the other own label ones that you're going to see. This will burn through rice, fat, grease, oil, all of that. It's a fantastic, strong product.
I'm going to say, as a landlord,
Go on.
I've come across the instances where tenants have rang me, blocked plug holes with rice, and also fat.
Yes, yeah, that will get through it.
Do you put the whole bottle down?
So it's 2 doses. So the idea is use half the bottle, leave it possibly overnight. If it's still not got through it, add a little, the rest of the bottle and go from there. You could do the whole bottle in one go. The issue with that is if you've got standing water and you pour a litre of liquid, which is what this bottle is, into the plug hole, you're then going to get a standing caustic chemical, which is not the safest, which is why we say do 500, see if that's got it, and then do another 5. So there is a logic behind that.
And that'll work with both of those, do half a bottle at a time?
Yes, yeah.
And best to leave it overnight?
Yeah.
Right.
The best results.
Price-wise, what we're looking at, we've got an offer on here at ScrewFix. Clearly, if you're watching this after ScrewFix Live events have finished, the current price at ScrewFix is £10.99, but you've got £3.67 off and we're at £7.32. I'm going to say no, it's the wrong way to say no plugging or anything like that, but I will be coming back at the end of the day. I will get some of this off you because I think it's really handy to have in the house anyway.
Nice one.
And with the tenant moving out this weekend, it'll be beneficial to actually try it out.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for that, Joe. Thank you.
Cheers, Phil.
Cheers.